Hi everyone, my name is not Connor, it's actually Kara Connors. You might be disappointed, I think Connor's somewhere around here though, but I am from a startup based in San Francisco called Quid that helps large companies unlock insights from text-based or unstructured data. So we work with a number of folks in the food and beverage and consumer packaged goods space. And we really got our start with this idea that we have a ton of tools that help us analyze quantitative data at scale. But when it comes to our most important research or strategic questions, like should we invest in this particular company? What are the latest trends in wellness? What are our competitors up to in the salty snack space? We often want to look at large qualitative data sets like patents, news articles, academic papers, tweets. And right now, there's not a succinct way for us to do that. Most of us rely on traditional research methods of trying to read through all of that content ourselves or hoping our team of analysts will do that. That's problematic for a couple reasons. There's just one, not enough time in the day to make it through everything we might want to read. And two, we all bring a certain amount of human bias to that research process. So what Quid has done instead is we use natural language processing and machine learning to actually read through those large text-based data sets for you. So just as a quick example, you could imagine potentially wanting to make an acquisition in a certain space. One part of your diligence process might include looking at product reviews for the company you're hoping to acquire. Again, right now, I might read, if I'm lucky, 10% of the product reviews that exist online. Definitely won't get to if they have new patent filings, the news about them. As just an example, we looked at close to 1,300 Amazon reviews for a company called Simple Mills. Instead of me trying to read through these and understand their customers' pain points or potential opportunities, whether it fit with our brand, we would actually use the Quid technology to read through those reviews for us. This is just a quick live in-action shot of what those reviews actually look like within the software. So each one of those dots will represent a unique product review that Quid has read, and as it read through that corpus of reviews, it's actually categorized them into higher level themes that you can see, things like how addictive they are, etc. And then we can overlay a bunch of additional analyses like the sentiment or star ratings, pull out kind of key topics, and from there conduct further analyses like a churn risk, what might be more focused on their customers or supply chain, and help answer a lot of those kind of broad strategic questions you normally wouldn't have time nor the manpower to answer. I'll pause there. I'm happy to connect with folks after, but if anybody has any questions right now, happy to take those as well. Yeah. Yeah, great question. I'm just going to go back to this slide. So what's interesting, we're a broad technology in that anybody who needs to read a lot of text could actually use us. We are not intended to be used by data scientists. We really want to work with the business end user, and that's usually corporate strategists, folks in R&D, comms, and marketers. Any other questions?
Why do you want to be in plug-and-play? It looks like you guys are already 142 employees, large amounts of money. Why do you want to join the accelerator?
I think we're always looking to meet new clients. We're also getting ready to release a new set of products, so you'll see this is kind of the core software platform, but we're creating apps specific to different verticals or use cases as well. So really here to meet new folks and engage with some of our corporate partners who are here as well.